These are LED. Yamaha has one of the best because of this lens here. It's a magnifying glass. Inside that, when the LED hits it, they're bright. The way this is designed, it's got little slits in it and it's cone shaped. So when you press it down, you're working it in and those edges of the metal grip into the plastic. So if I just try to press it down, sometimes it doesn't go down all the way. But if I rotate it, work it around a little bit, it will shimmy itself down. And the tighter I get it, it'll pull this up, make a better fit. So I'm going to put that in like that. That's on. These are on. So now I'll just put this on.